Hey there, Jackhammers, and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Well, we have a super soaker of a workout for you today, as you can see from my uniform here. It is your April Jackhammer Challenge, and it is absolutely fitly named April Sweat Storms, okay? April Sweat Showers, I think. It felt more like a storm, but it's sweat showers, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to start with a crazy 8 AMRAP, 8 minutes, of course. Lots of moves, lots of fun. We're going to then go into some HIIT. We're going to go into some upper body tabata. We're going to do some Bosu work that will burn your legs and try your soul in descending interval pyramid format. We're going to do some more tabata with some strength for your biceps. And then we're going to finish with a 6-minute EMOM full of man makers and sit-ups, okay? So don't look ahead too far. That all sounds crazy and scary, but you will get through it. So what you'll need for this workout is your Bosu if you have it. If you don't, you can do those moves right on the floor. A box or sturdy elevation if you have it. If not, no worries. A chair, your couch, something could do there, or you could do the moves right on the floor. You could use your weighted vest here, and you will definitely need your dumbbells. And of course, the fifth and always essential ingredient is your can-do attitude. Do not step on your mat without strapping that right on, okay? So when you have all that you need or none of it, I will see you back here for your April Jackhammer Challenge and some sweat showers. That'll feel like a storm. See you in just a minute. All right, guys, let's get these April sweat showers started with a good warm-up. All right, let's just start with some jumping jacks. You can start by taking them low impact if you want. Just some taps. Get that blood flowing. Let's do 2 more. 1, 2. Now open up your hips. We've had a couple warm days, mostly kind of cold, blustery ones since those warm days, but I just can't help but get my shorts out wishing for summer. Do 1 more each side. Here comes 1 and 1. Now we're going to kick, dynamically warm up our hamstrings. We're going to need them today. One more each side. Boom. Now we're going to step it back. Tilt your hips so that you feel this more in your glutes. Woohoo! 1 more each side. All right, now let's get those arms warmed up a little bit. Nice circles. Bring them in across each other. All right, and reverse. I'm doing this old school style with printed out workout breakdowns because my kiddos have my computer. They're using it for schoolwork. So 1 more circle. All right, let's walk down into some push-ups. Down we go. Take it up. Reach and open that chest, okay? You can take these down on your knees, of course, as always. I feel like I just got over the flu and now we're getting into allergy season. So I've got the sniffles again and an itchy throat. Ooh. Which makes me think every day when I wake up that I have coronavirus. Hopefully that's not the case. Give me 1 more push up here. Very good. Awesome. Let's warm up some mountain climbers. Get those abs ready. I'm going to use my elevation here. Tight core. Start to go oblique style here, knee to elbow. One more each side. 1, 1. All right, let's do some forward lunges. Open our arms, our chest. You can even mime out a bicep curl when you're doing these. Let's do that for the next couple. Squeeze, pretend like you have a heavy weight in your hand. Those biceps ready to work. Very good. 2, last one. Very good, guys. Take a drink, get your mind right, and get ready for our Crazy 8s body weight AMRAP, okay? See you in just a second for that. All right, guys, it's time for your 8-minute AMRAP. It is Crazy 8s fashion, except that each move does not have 8 reps, okay? So the Crazy 8 part is for the 8 minutes. We're doing one leg push-ups for 10. You can do regular push-ups here. We're going to do stork lunges for 10. Plank jacks with a toe touch for 10. We're going to alternate toes. Stork lunges on the right for 10. Staggered push-ups, so staggered stance here with our hands. And then we're going to do a surrender plus 2 low side steps for 10. Suitcase sit-ups or V-ups for 10. And a tuck with a heel grab for 10. Okay, so we're just going to see how many rounds we can get in here. We're going to have a lot of fun. And we're going to keep going for 8 minutes, okay? All right, single leg push-ups are first. You can do these on your knees too and just lift one leg, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, hopefully my mat won't go crazy on me. Stork lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do lunge pulses here. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. Plank jack with a toe touch. 1, 2, alternating sides. You can do 5 and 5. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we have stork lunges on the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Staggered push-ups. You can do these on knees or toes. One arm is forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right, surrender. Low side steps. You're going to go down. Okay. You're going to come up. Okay. 2 side steps. Okay, so down, up. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. You're doing great, guys. That's 10. So we're either going to do suitcase sit-ups for 10 or V-ups for 10. There we go. Either this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Now we're going to do a tuck with a heel grab for 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking a little hop. 5 in between. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You have about 4 minutes left. You got this. First round is done. Whew, single leg push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Stork lunges on the left for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plank jack with toe touch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Stork lunges on the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Staggered push-ups for 10. 2 minutes left. Don't get discouraged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, surrenders with low side steps. Hands on the head. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. Doing great, guys. That's 7. That's 8. Oh. That's 9. That's 10. Suitcase sit-ups or V-ups. So again, you can suitcase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, 10 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get to 10. 5, You get all the way through it. Get your breath. Get a drink. Get your box right cleared off and there for you for some fun box drills. See you in just a minute. All right, guys, I hope you had a good little drink and that your box is ready, or some sturdy elevation is ready for you to do this next little set on, okay? We have 45-15 intervals. We're gonna do them 2 times. We have double tap step ups on the box. We have lateral step ups on the left, fast feet times 8 with a box jump. You could also just do a squat jump there. And then we have lateral step ups on the right, okay? So just 2 sets of this. No big deal. You have 15 seconds. No big deal. We can do this. We'll get through it. All right, so a double tap step up looks like this. Okay. And switch. Keep a solid hip hinge here so you can feel it in your glutes. A little agility, a little coordination here. These don't have to be screaming fast. You don't have to take a huge push, but I want you to push up through that heel. Good glute squeeze at the top. Seconds. Then I'll have to not face you for a minute, sorry. Good job. Lateral step ups, left leg. Whew. Needing a towel. Taking a towel. A small one at least. There we go. Core nice and tight. You can do a leg lift if you want, or just stick to a knee tuck. That's the word. You can put your vest on here if you want to do that. I did a good leg workout yesterday. Quads and abs actually, which I planned poorly because I thought I was going to record our Patron's Choice workout today, but this is the one that came up that needed to be done. Excellent. All right, fast feet times 8 in 1 box jump, okay? So the count will be on my count of 8. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, you can step down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. How you doing? 5, 6, 7. Give me one more time. 8. Good job. Just a little faster you can. We have lateral step ups, right side. Here we go. Then your first round will be all finished, which is wonderful news. Okay? Hair's falling down, sweating all over the place. 100% chance of sweat showers today. That almost sounded like a really bad word. Sweat showers. Flex that foot. Tighten your core. Good balance. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Double tap step ups are next. You can do rocket lunges here if you want. I just wanted to spice it up a little bit. Coordination wise, tap, switch, tap, switch. Switch. You're getting there. Less than 10. Lateral step up on the left is next. You guys are doing great. Get a drink if you need one. I'm betting you do. Here we go. Lateral step ups. Sometimes I like to keep my hands on my hips here to make sure that I am over that foot, that my abs are tight, so I can keep my balance, which doesn't always happen. The balance thing at least. Flex that foot. If you want an extra challenge, add your own resistance to that leg coming back down. Slow down that eccentric motion. You'll work that inner thigh a bit. Good. Very good. Fast feet with a box jump. Whew. Here we go. Breathe it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Changing the tempos here so your muscles can be confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Lateral step ups on the right for the last time, unless you want to do more. In that case, by all means. Whew. Here we go. You can always add weights to this. Add an extra round to make it more than just cardiovascularly hard. It's good for balance, good for connective tissue to do moves like this that are low impact, but bring that joint into a really nice and full range of motion. All my clients who have angry knees, I try to do step up work with them to strengthen their connective tissue. Woo, doing good. 2, 1. Very good. All right, guys. The next thing we have to do is a tabata pair. So, take a drink, gear up for it. Your tabata pair will consist of incline or decline push-ups and dips, okay? So, let's get our timer set up for that. Breathe it out. Give yourself a pat on the back because you're doing great. Wipe it off. Get your drink. All right. If you don't have a box, do these moves right on the floor or the side of the chair. Okay. Whew. You have 10 seconds. We're going into either incline or decline push-ups, okay? Whew. There we go. You may want to switch them every other time. Ten seconds. Good job. All right. Wipe yourself off. The sweat storms are real today. 1. Here we go. Remember with dips, you can come out with straight legs. You can come in to take a little bit of pressure off your arms. Keep your back close to the elevation, your arms close to your side. So you can focus on your triceps. 2, 1. Very good. Good times. Good times. All right, so if you want to do a decline push-up, you can step up on your box. Okay. Keep it steady. Almost there. Good job. Dip time. Dip time. Whew. 2 and 1. Remember your modifications here. You can keep those legs close. Keep your friends closer. Keep your friends close and your legs during dips closer. Less than 10. Very good. Whew. I'm going to do incline again. I have torn myself up this week with workouts. I feel so nicely sore. Here we go. We did all those push-ups at the beginning. That was very taxing. Depending on how big your elevation is, you may be doing tricep push-ups on the box and then going right and turning around and doing tricep dips. Your triceps may be extra gassed, but don't think that you're getting weaker. You're getting stronger. It's just hard. Here we go, 6 of 8. Woo, burning. All right. I'm going to do decline again. Seems like a fun idea. Woo, here we go. Woo, less than 10. All right. Woo. Oh my, guys. Not easy. Dips are next. Very, very good, guys. Now I want you to absolutely take a minute break, okay? Minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes, whatever you need, okay? Our next section is going to be pretty brutal. It is a pyramid. It involves your Bosu if you have it. If not, you could do all these moves right on the floor, okay? So take a minute break, and then we will get back to this descending interval pyramid, okay? See you in just a second. All right, guys, here we go with that descending interval pyramid. We're starting with 50-10 intervals. We're going to go to 40-10, then 30-10. We're going to do butt to Bosu squat jumps. You could also just do butt to Bosu squats here, okay? So that's your first move. Then we're going to do lateral Bosu shuffles. So all of these are going to be for 50 first, okay? Then we're going to do Bosu knee strike switch lunges. So these are a balance challenge. I will tell you that right now, okay? You're going to do a knee strike, switch, okay? Knee strike, switch, okay? If that doesn't work for you, just do knee strikes with a switch lunge right on the ground, okay? Here we go. You have 10 seconds. Woo! Good times. Good times. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Butt to Bosu, squat jump. depending on how deflated your Bosu is, this can be varying levels of difficulty. I think mine needs a little pump up. Nice slow squat with some support. Woo! Burning. 15 left. Tighten your core so you land softly. Okay? 5, 4, 2, 1. Ooh. Ouch. And yuck. But worth it, okay? Move your Bosu if you need to for those lateral shuffles. I like to tap. My legs are so jello right now. You can take these low, like this, if you want. It's not the fastest I ever go, but we're making it. Woo! I feel like I have my weighted vest on, and I don't, that I know of. Unless I picked up some quarantine weight, in which case I do. All right, here we go. Woo. This will get your mind off your problems. Woo. Very good. Bosu, knee strike switches. Guys, this is a leg burner. Just think everything after this will be, woo. Try to get that balance. Woo. You want to work on your balance and your ankle stability. This is the way to do it. 10 seconds. Focus. Try to look at the same spot. Very good. All right, take a minute while I reset my timer. We're going to go to 40-second intervals. That's just going to get easier. Sorta. All right. 10 seconds. Butt to Bosu squats or squat jumps. Yikes. Whew. Only going to 30. So this round we do 40. Next round we do 30. Whew. Halfway there. Nice deep squat. Explode up. Go down slow, explode up. Very good. Lateral shuffles. 2, 1. Only 40 seconds here. Won't be as long as it has been. Working hard. You work hard too. I know you do. Strap on that can-do attitude. Because when you have that on, you don't have room for doubts or worries, excuses, nothing. Less than 10. Speed it up. 2, 1. Oh, mercy. Oh. All right. Switch lunges. This does not have to be fast. It may take you a minute. or an interval to get your groove. But don't give up. Help you get your breath back for those 30-second intervals, which are next. The more you are on top of that white bubble, the more balanced you can stay. All right, 30 seconds. Oh, gross. All right, 30-10 hit. Readjust. Strap on that attitude with the can-do attached. And here we go. It's your last time down that mountain. Here we go. Butt to Bosu squat jumps. Deep breath. A lot of times you want to have a tendency to want to go down fast and up slow. Try to go down slow, explode up. I run out of room. Put my Bosu a little too close to the box. Very good. Lateral shuffles. Legs are just shaking, guys. Here we go. Don't look ahead. Think about what you're doing now. Shoot for that circle. Almost there. Less than 10. It'll be your last move in this set. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Very good. Get those switch lunges. Move it up a little bit here. Knee strike. Knee strike. Knee strike. You're going to want to lean backward to push off that leg, but you're better off to keep the weight and the stability in your front leg. Help with balance. Help you to lift that back leg. 5 seconds. See how you're already getting better by that round? All right, you made it through that very lethal pyramid. Wipe it off. You have more of a strength tabata next, so we can gear up for that. We can move our Bosu and get that party started. We're going to be doing hammer punch burpees. So you do have just a bit of a up and down with that one, but you're not jumping. I'm going to use 12 pounds for those. And then for my heavy curls, after that group, I'm going to use 20 pounds per hand, okay? You can do these single, single, double. You can do them 2 arms at a time. You can hammer curl instead of regular curls for the curl part. Make it your own. Whatever part of that bicep you feel like needs development the most, spend time on it, okay? We're going back to our Tabata timer. All right, here we go. Hammer, punch, burpees. All right, here we go. Couple ways you can do this. Push up. 2 arms, okay? You can do a reverse push-up burpee if you want more on that bicep. You can do a supine punch here if you like keeping the palms up, okay? Now we're going to just regular curls. Here we go. Good. Good. little baggy shirt's getting nice and wet. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Back to those punch and burpees. I'll show you a different variation you can do. So you can still do that reverse push up. You can punch 4 times. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very challenging. Very good. All right. Heavy curls. Should be feeling it now. Second round of both moves. Increase or decrease your weights as needed. Make sure you remember that core. Okay? You want to keep your elbows in tight, but also remember not to arch your back. Get your core engaged. Okay? Back to those punches. Whew. Roll with the punches. You can make that push-up dynamic. Getting our chest and our biceps with that move. So sweaty, guys. These are truly sweat shower moves. Here we go. Tighten that core. After this, we have our last round of both. We'll let you take a little break, and we'll do a 6-minute EMOM. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Ugh, I am dripping. Are you guys dripping? All right. Woo! I shook something up in here. Very good. Last one of those. Whew. Last set of curls. You can absolutely do this, okay? Good job, just breathe. Less than 10. Let's get one more each side. 1, squeeze, 2. Good job, guys. I am going to reset my camera and my timer. I'm going to wipe off, and I'll see you back here for your final set, okay? It's a 6-minute EMOM, so get ready for it. See you in a second. All right, guys, it's EMOM time. We're going to do some man makers, and we're going to do some sit-ups, okay? So for the first minute of this EMOM, you are doing either 3 to 5 man makers, which doesn't sound like a lot, but the remaining time you have is rest, and depending on how many push-ups you do for these man makers, it could take you a lot longer to do them, okay? So that's your objective for the first minute. Your second minute, we're gonna get 30 sit-ups in, okay? If you can get more sit-ups than that in, that's fine, or just use the remainder of the time as rest, okay? We're doing these moves 3 different times, so should be really fun. You'll have about 5 seconds in between each minute. I'm using 20 pounds for my man makers. I'm going to do 1 push-up man makers here just for time's sake and see how it goes. There's my push-up, a row, up, clean it, press it, that's 1. 2. 3. 4. about perfect, timing-wise. So use the rest of this minute as rest. You'll hear another little beep. And then after the next beep, we'll start 30 sit-ups, okay? There we go. 1. You can do CrossFit sit-ups here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can do regular sit-ups. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's go for 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, let's keep going, 22, 23, 24, 25, we got to 25. All right, so 25 to 30 sit-ups. You're back at your man makers. Here we go. Second round. 1. 2. 3. 4. Strong plank. 4. 5. Very good. All right. The sit-ups were harder than I thought. I should have put 25 as our number. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do crunches here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, halfway there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do we have 10 more? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so maybe 5. 5. So you can get 26, 26. Woo. All right, gear up for this man maker's last round, okay? If you need more of a break, take it, okay? 1. 2. 3. 4. Use those legs. 5. Whew. Rest. Sweat showers. All right. Down you go. You got 5 seconds. I'm trying this way so I won't be downhill. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Doing great. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, almost there, guys. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, 8, let's get the last 2, 9, 10. Oh, guys, you made it. We made it. Woo! Get toweled off and we'll cool down. See you in just a second. All right, guys, let's cool this hot mess down. Get these sweat showers to stop falling. I want you to hook at the elbows, lean right over, let the weight of your head lengthen your spine here. All right, let's take left hand to right toe or right knee, depending on your flexibility. Open the chest, don't collapse into that front arm. Look up at your thumb for some neck stretch, some neck flexibility. All right, come back down in the center, press the hands in. All right, right hand to left foot. All right, back center again. I want you to heel toe in just a little bit, keeping the toes facing out. And I want you to stretch inner thighs and the hips by pressing against your knee. All right, press up, press into those hamstrings. Heel toe in. One more little hammy stretch here. Slowly come up. Let's hit some quads. Did a lot of leg work here today. Other side. Good job. Let's stretch out our chest and our biceps. Turn away from that palm. Other side. Nice. Take those hands, clasp them together. Reach forward. Take them up. Feel that stretch in your core as well. Tricep stretch. Other side. Good job. Step into a lunge, lower that back knee, stretch the hip flexors. Take the hands to the left of that right foot, open up the hip. All right, switch sides. You guys did such a good job today. This was brutal. Both hands to the right of that left foot. Open the hip. Good job. Set the back foot up to the front. One more teeny little hamstring stretch there, because why not? And slowly come back up. Do a few inhales and exhales. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good job, guys. Your April sweat shower workout is all finished. I hope you're feeling great. I'm super duper proud of you, and I will see you back up at the camera for your send-off. Awesome job. All right, guys, amazing job hopping those puddles during this April sweat shower workout. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you are feeling super strong and accomplished, and I hope that you're going to get your water in today, get a healthy post-workout meal, that you're going to stretch some more if you need to, let your body rest so that your amazing muscles can repair and grow. And I hope that you're going to appreciate your amazing body today and always. If you haven't yet, share us with your friends and family, especially now that we're all inside for an indefinite amount of time. So it's a great time to share the love with your friends and family and help them to appreciate their amazing bodies and get in the best shape of their lives right at home with very minimal equipment, okay? If you haven't checked out our Velvet Hammer Pipes program, it is on Vimeo.com, and all you do is search Velvet Hammer Pipes and you purchase right there, okay? If you have any questions about that or our glute growing program, which is also available on there, but I think all of you all have access to it, you can email us at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com. So whether this April sweat shower just made you smell nice and sour, or whether you know it's going to bring you those May gains and power, you finished, and as always, it is your health today and every day, so you better hit it hard. Boom! Awesome job, Jackhammers. Remember to love those difficult people this week. Stay home, stay well, and I will see you for our next challenge.